Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to talk about spare time or leisure time or free time as a conversation activity that you need to know something about the lexical words used and the phrases used when you want to make a conversation with any other person. So, as I have said earlier, it is a spare time. So in spare time we have certain activities we can make. So as I said, spare time is something important, and every one of us has experienced spare time. So you need to know what are the activities that you are going to do in your spare time, and how you can make use and get benefit from your spare time. It is not just time for sleeping and making hobbies. Sometimes you can do certain activities and important activities in your spare time to help other people. So in your spare time we have certain verbs and activities that you are going to exposure in this lecture. The most common question is, how do you spend your free time or leisure time or spare time? How can you spend your free time? I need from you to think about this question and prepare your answer, your suitable answer about this question. Now we have other things about spare time. We have certain things that we must not waste our time in spare time. So I need from you to read this question and prepare your answer for this question. Is spare time only for relaxing or relaxation? What useful things can we do in our leisure time? It is another vocabulary, another synonym for spare time. How do you spend your free time? This is a repeated question, so you need to know how to answer these questions. And besides, we have another list of questions related to the spare time. Have you got a free time? What do you usually do when you are free? Have you got a hobby? What is it? How much time do you spend on your hobby? Spare time is related also to hobby. So every one of us has got a hobby. So you need to express yourself and tell us something about your hobby and how can you make use of your hobby in your spare time. At the end of this lecture, I've quoted from a person a quotation about time. Your success is greatly determined by how you spend your spare time. So whenever you manage and get tidy of your time and not waste it, you will be a successful person. Time is very important. It's just like sword. So you need to manage and get control of the time in order to be a successful person. At the end of this lecture, I hope you to get a nice day. Thank you for your listening.